Your vehicle has a traditional glove box compartment. To open it, pull this handle and lower the lid. When you want to lock or unlock the glove box, use your mechanical key. For the safety of your glove box contents, the intelligent key cannot be used to unlock the glove box. To open the console box, push this knob and pull up on the lid. If your console box is equipped with the cool box, use this switch to turn it on and off. The cooling function will only work when the front air conditioner is on. The sunglasses holder is opened by a push and release motion. INFINITI strategically placed hooks throughout the cargo area. Use these hooks and D-rings to secure all cargo with ropes or straps. Your vehicle also offers a variety of storage bins, trays, and cup holders, located throughout the vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.